Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download your account data on BlueSky social application. First of all, open your Play Store and download the BlueSky app. Once downloaded, click on open. Once the BlueSky app has been opened, all you have to do is click on the hamburger menu on the top left corner. Click on settings. Click on account. From here, you will see an option called export my data. You have to click on it. So your account repository containing all public data records can be downloaded as a CAR file. This file does not include media embeds such as images or your private data, which must be fetched separately. So all I have to do is click on download CAR file. I will click on it. Now it will start to download. Now it is asking me where I want my CAR file to be downloaded. So I will select my downloads folder, select any folder of your choice and click on use this folder. Click on it, click on allow. Now your file has been saved successfully. If I go to my file manager, here you'll be able to see your CAR file. And that's how to download your account data on BlueSky social application. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.